Alright, let's dive a little bit deeper into this Form 8379 injured spouse allocation. And, in order to qualify, you must, I already write this out for you, okay? You must first have filed a joint return. And of course, you need to have your own income. So, for example, you got like wages, invest in certain products, you got interest, all that. And of course, you have paid your own taxes, either through withholding tax or estimated payments. And you were not legally responsible for the debt, because basically you are the injured spouse, and the other parts, have their own debts that you got no responsibility of payment. And because you fund jointly, IRS treat you and your spouse as a one taxpayer, and then you lose, you're injured. And not physically injured, but from tax terms, you're the injured spouse. And because the debt is not your legal responsibility, and you lose the refund, you know what? You are qualified. And by the way, this file form 8379 needs to be filed within 3 years from the due date of the return, or 2 years from the date the tax was paid. Okay, so basically it's like the deadline. So you need to find these 2 dates and use whichever is later. And by the way, there are 2 ways of file form 8379. First is electronically, okay? So when you file your joint return, you can file this as well, okay? Because you're an injured spouse, you can claim that your share of the refund. And of course, you can by mail. And basically, you're going to mail that to the IRS, the service center, when you send your return, okay? So, and you have to know that this is not like a one-shot thing, okay? It's not like you file that and all this rest of the year, so every year, the next year, right? If you want to claim that, you have to file a new form of 8379, okay? You have to file each time a new form in order to reclaim your share, okay? It's not like a one thing and every time following that is okay. So, yeah, that's the qualification as well as how to file. And, you have to file multiple times if every year that you need to reclaim.